Hello and welcome to Veggie Patch Ideas. Today we're restoring this greenhouse. It hasn't been used for 6 years and it was a struggle to get it all clear, but now it's clear. We're putting my windows in. I've done my roof and I've done some at the side, but let me show you how I did it. And for this one I'm using an acrylic sheet. These are horticultural glass, but they break, they shatter in high winds. So we're going for the acrylic. It's a lot cheaper, it's sturdy, it won't break, as long as we clip it in right and do a proper job. Now, with this, it's a middle pane, and I've already replaced the bottom one. So, you first want to peel the acrylic into the centre. All the way around, and this is simply because we don't want to scrape the glass in the fitting process. So both sides. And then we'll need our clips and we'll pop it into position. So we'll go with 4 window clips and 4 of these, and these just sit in between the windows, and we want 2 each side. So we simply put the clips onto the bottom, and you'll want to always make sure the glass is inside on the top and outside on the bottom, so the rain can go on the outside and there's no issues. Now I do want to release the clips on the top glass and slide it up. And we're on. So as you can see, the glass is in the hooks. And we put our clip on. And the plastic is stuck on the other side. And we just clip away. So the flat edge to the glass and work the springs in. And there you go, we want 2 clips either side, 2 fasteners either side, job done. And then what I like to do is it's belts and braces, but I like to put a bit of clear silicone along the edge of the windows, top and bottom, and this will stop them shaking out in any gales that we have. So clean up the edges and use a bit of silicone and just bead a nice little line. You only need a little bit per window, but it will make all the difference in a storm. As always guys, thanks for watching and we'll see you next time.